You whore.
Black? I swear, it's not what it looks like.
Oh, it's exactly what it looks like. How could you do this to me? To us?
No, I promise you. We were just exchanging plans.
Exchanging plans, huh? What's next? You gonna start sharing time rings? Maybe a little candlelit genocide on the side? You're taking this way too personally. We're literally the same person. This is treason.
Look, there's no reason to be that upset. He's you, but with a twist.
What's the twist? That he's a homewrecker? Clearly, I'm the fun version. How could you? After all that we've been through, the time loops, the battles, the tea parties.
Oh, you're never home anymore. Who else is supposed to help me destroy mortals and finish an entire pot of tea before it goes cold?
Maybe Zamasu just needs someone who doesn't scream incompetence. I am divine elegance, and yet here you are, crying over spilled groceries. I am not. Just face it, Zamasu's into versions of himself with actual charisma, drip, and a better hairline. We are wearing the exact same fit. Real original, by the way. You wouldn't know original if it hit you in the face.
Oh, stop. You're both being ridiculous. Don't you see? This isn't about me being a filthy, cheating whore. It's about us. About doing what we do best, gentlemen.
Gooning?
What?
Edging.
What? It's not exactly...
Shibari.
What even is that?
Bondage.
We don't... Stop that!
Group yoga.
The fuck? That's not even...
Feet pics. Oh, right.
Enough! It's about the mission. The Zero Mortals plan. We've wasted so much time bickering. But together we could be unstoppable. Imagine it. 3 Zamasus united, obliterating mortals across the multiverse.
That does sound efficient. Efficient? That sounds sexy. I'm in. It's like an intellectual three-way.
Yeah, can we not call it that?
The divine threesome it is.
That is even worse.
Oh, we're just getting started, gentlemen.
Should be like you, Mel.